OMG, I've been thinking about this all week and I have to spill it to you. So grab your fave drink, cozy up in your PJs, and let's pretend we're FaceTiming, sipping coffee. Or pink latte, yes? Dishing on the worst overconsumption trend heading into fall. Hey girlie, so here's what's going on. Everywhere I scroll, on TikTok, IG stories, fashion blogs, this one trend is creeping in. And I'm low-key obsessed and also secretly worried. It's all about fall shopping on overdrive. Like, not just I want new boots, but I need every single item that drops this season. And the internet is absolutely fueling it. You know how I always say, fashion is mood? Well, this season the mood is buy all the things now. Bloggers are posting 20-piece fall capsule hauls. Influencers are doing cozy sweater restock with me lives, and there are hundreds of must-have boots you can't miss lists. But here's the suspense. Is this the worst overconsumption trend ever? What even is overconsumption? And why are we doing this? Okay, quick refresher, but spice it up like we're chatting. Overconsumption is when we consume way more than we need. More clothes, more shoes, more things, just because we can. It's tied to hyper-consumerism, which is literally the pressure to keep buying more stuff to define ourselves. So fall drops are like candy for that impulse. New trenches, booties, layering pieces, and all while marketing whispers, "Girl, you need this to be stylish, to belong, to have your content look fresh." And we, being the trendy queens, feel that. Let's dish on what's making me side-eye. Micro-trend overload. Every few weeks there's a new must-have item. Y2K scarves for fall, plaid neoprene for leggings. It's exhausting. We end up chasing trends instead of defining our own. Impulse hauls with no plan. I see bloggers doing fall wardrobe refresh in one day. 30-plus items in a cart. Returns, regrets, closet chaos. Fast fashion's gaslighting. These cheap brands pump out dozens of styles every day, making us feel like we have to keep up. Dark patterns in sites, shady UI tricks push you to click Add to Cart, show countdown timers, only 2 left, last chance, etc. It's not you, it's them. Mental exhaustion, too many options, patins decision fatigue. When you have infinite browsing, you second-guess every purchase, plus get FOMO. Waste and regret closet. We buy, barely wear, then toss or donate immediately. That's the throwaway society in action. What the bloggers and internet folks allegedly say. On a blogger's deep dive post, I added 25 pieces to my fall wish list, then realized I already own 70% of them in different colors. Why am I doing this again? Meme accounts are dragging the fall haul culture, calling it peak consumerism. On Reddit threads, the worst overconsumption trend I see is simply consumption for its own sake. Shopping as a pastime, as a family, or social activity. In comment sections under Restock With Me videos, "You already have 5 boot pairs, do you need more?" One blogger alleged that some brands stealthily push influencers to pump exclusive fall restocks, then send them freebies so the influencer raves about them. I haven't confirmed receipts, but the pattern is too common. You know what's scary? How easy it is to fall into the trap of spending just because it looks like everyone else's. Every time you open TikTok or YouTube, there's a new must-have fall essentials video with perfect lighting, cozy music, and a haul worth thousands. It makes you feel like you're missing out if you don't grab it too. But behind all those aesthetically pleasing unboxings are people maxing out credit cards, dipping into savings, or spending rent money just to keep up. It's all alleged, of course, but girl, those emotional purchases can stack up fast. That dopamine hit from buying new stuff fades, but that bank statement? Yeah, it sticks around. And let's be honest, the pressure to look the part is so real right now. Social media can make you believe that your value is tied to what you wear, where you shop, or how expensive your decor looks. But if we're constantly buying to impress people who don't even know us personally, that's not empowerment. That's exhaustion. Financial experts have even said that impulsive, shopping driven by trends can create a cycle of debt and anxiety. You start chasing the next drop or limited edition moment instead of building security or peace. It's like filling your closet but emptying your stability. What's even crazier is that these platforms are designed to keep us spending. They use algorithms that push products you've already looked at, countdown timers that create fake urgency, and influencer codes that make you think you're saving money, when really, you're just being persuaded to spend it. It's psychological marketing and 101. That's why it's so important to pause before you purchase and ask, do I want this because I love it or because I saw it 10 times today? Being mindful doesn't mean you can't treat yourself. It just means you're in control, not the algorithm. At the end of the day, balance is everything. You can still enjoy shopping, indulge in trends, and express yourself. But it has to come from a healthy place. Start budgeting for your fun spending, set monthly goals, and choose timeless pieces instead of micro trends. Fall fashion will come and go, but financial freedom and self-control, that's forever. Because girl, nothing looks better than peace of mind and a bank account that's not crying. So this season, let's be the girls who buy with purpose, not pressure, because smart is the new stylish. Yes, girly, because honestly, switching things up when the seasons change can totally be a form of self-care if you do it right. Like, I get it. There's something about putting away the summer candles and pulling out the pumpkin spice decor that just resets your vibe. It's cozy, it's refreshing, it makes your space feel new again. The key is doing it intentionally. Instead of running to Target or Amazon every time the season shifts, try shopping your home first, move items around, repurpose decor from last year, or do a little DIY refresh. You'll still get that new season excitement without overspending. And honestly, it makes you more creative. When it comes to your car or your office, treat those updates like mini acts of motivation instead of massive shopping sprees. Swap your air freshener scent, add a new steering wheel cover, or switch out your desk accessories for something that fits your fall aesthetic. These little tweaks can give you that same serotonin boost that big purchases do, but in a financially healthy way. Think of it like mindful makeovers. You're not constantly consuming, you're curating. The goal is to enjoy the change, not chase it. And girl, here's the secret. Turning seasonal switches into healthy habits is about ritual, not retail. Make it a tradition. Each season, declutter your space, donate what you no longer use, and only bring in items that add real value or happiness. Create Pinterest boards for inspiration, not obligation. It's not about keeping up, it's about keeping grounded, because when your space evolves, with intention, it reflects growth, not pressure. That's the energy we want to carry into every season, peaceful, balanced, and beautifully in control. Yes, babe, let's wrap it up with some good vibes and a little soft life energy, because at the end of the day, balance and beauty can coexist. When we learn to make intentional choices, whether it's with our shopping, our mindset, or even how we decorate our space, we step into that era of financial peace and personal power. You don't have to go broke to feel renewed. Sometimes, a fresh set of nails, a new candle, or rearranging your room can shift your whole mood. It's about romanticizing your life within reason and being proud of the discipline it takes to glow up without going broke. And speaking of glow-ups, don't forget to check out my Shopify store, where I have the cutest, affordable press-on nail sets that'll give you that luxury feel without the luxury price tag. Every set is made to match your vibe, cozy, classy, or mysterious, so you can feel put together no matter what season you're in. Let's keep growing, glowing, and making choices that serve our peace and our pockets. In the comments, tell me which fall trend you're loving most and how you're keeping your spending healthy this season. Because as always, we're in our soft and smart girl era.